Tearing down and rebuilding your home is an important personal process for you, and it is for us too. When you explore building with Stanley Martin Custom Homes, you are working with people who have been in the industry for decades and are just as excited about building your new home for you as you are. Since 2006, I have met with thousands of buyers who come in and want to learn more about the teardown and rebuild process. One of the most common questions I get is, how can we really do an apples to apples comparison with other builders? It all seems so complicated. Yes, it can be complicated, but when you break down your comparison into 5 categories, the differences become easier to discern. So what are the categories? So start with, who is the company and what is their reputation? Then you look at people, product, price, and process. Let's take a high-level look at what Stanley Martin Custom Homes has to offer, and keep in mind you're going to learn much more about this as you go through our transparent and comprehensive sales process. So the company, Stanley Martin. Stanley Martin has been stable through every boom and bust since 1966. Stanley Martin Custom Homes is a wholly owned subsidiary of Stanley Martin, and we dovetail on our parent company. With our proven track record, you can be confident that your home will be completed on time with quality. People. Since 2006, I have personally met every prospective buyer who has come into Stanley Martin Custom Homes, and our president, Michael Schnitzer, is involved with every single home we build. Many of our employees, including our design studio manager and some of our project managers, have been with our organization for over a decade. Our experienced staff knows how to answer your questions accurately, and we will bring you through the process step by step while providing you with an excellent experience. So our product, we build Stanley Martin models on your lot. If you want to make any changes or customizations to one of our plans, we can do that as well. In addition, when we build our product on your lot, we include all of the energy-saving features developed by the Home Sciences Division at Stanley Martin. Our marketing and architecture departments are constantly developing new plans based on feedback received from the public in real time. Our product is cutting edge and is delivered to you with many of the standard features included that are demanded by today's buyers. Price. Our prices are competitive, and when coupled with our product and services, there frankly is not a better value in our region. The more you look at the 5 categories of comparison, the better Stanley Martin Custom Homes will look to you. Our process is focused on providing educational information along the way, making sure no detail is overlooked. We start in the sales phase with lots of upfront information and transparency in pricing. Then we move into the design build phase, and we end up with a comprehensive warranty. A strong and stable company in business since 1966. Great people who are leaders in their industry. A product second to none with modern floor plans, high ceilings, state-of-the-art home sciences that conserve energy and save you money on your utility bills. Prices that are competitive with any builder. A process that is well refined based on feedback from our customers. Give us a call or click today to learn more, and let us get you started on the path to your very own Stanley Martin Custom Home.